All right, 7.3 is about learning and remembering what inequalities are. Those are your less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to symbols. So in the 7.3, it's really simple. We're just kind of getting to know them and how they fall into an equation. So write an inequality for the following sentence. Your age is less than 19. So A less than 19. Your height is greater than 52, so H is greater than 52. So it's just being familiar with the symbols. Remember that it points to the small number and it opens to the larger value. Your height is less than 48 and your age is greater than 12. Your speed is less than or equal to, gets the symbol when you put a little line underneath it, is your or equal to it. So it can be 62 or smaller. Your speed is greater than or equal to, so it can be your speed is greater than 42 or it's equal to 42. And then those two. To meet a certain air quality standard, an automobile must have a fuel efficiency of not less than, so if it's not less than, it must be greater than or equal to 27 and a half. So the efficiency has to be greater than or equal to 27 and a half. The cafeteria allows each student no more than 2 servings of dessert during lunch. I don't know why you're having 2 servings of dessert during lunch. You should have 1 or none, but whatever. So, but you can't have more than it. So you must means you can only have less than it, less than or equal to it. All right, these, you're not showing me the steps in solving this. You're just saying if the statement is true. If I substituted the 6 in for S and I did 6 minus 9, I get -3. Is -3 less than 4? Yes. So you would say it's a true sentence. And do it again. Substitute 36 in for A, do 36 divided by 3 plus 1, and see if it meets the criteria. And 14 is not less than or equal to 13, so that's a false statement. So you're just substituting and saying yes or no, or true or false. Graphing it is what's going to be really important when we get to 7.4, because we're going to solve inequalities and then you're going to have to graph them. So it's important that you know how to represent this inequality on a graph. So you make your number line and then there's no equal sign. So your circle is going to be open, not colored in, open. And then it says X is every value greater than 10. So open at 10 and everything to the right, because left is less and right is greater. X is everything greater than or equal to 10 means I include 10, so I color that circle in, and then it's everything to the right because it's greater than. X is less than 10, goes left because left is less, and it excludes 10, so it's open. And then this one is going to head left, but it includes 10 because it has the equal sign. So then try each one of these. Make sure you can do them. You can pause it right here because I'm going to show you the answers now. Make sure you understand them when it's colored in, included, and make sure you understand when it's excluded. Now you got to be able to write the inequality. Well, I know I have X and I know I have 38. I know it's going to the right, so it's greater than, and I know it's colored in, so it's equal. So there it is. Try that one. There's no equal sign because it's excluded and it's left, so it means it's less. And that's it. So 7.3 is really easy because now it's bringing us into 7.4 and 7.5.